my last video, I alluded to the fact that I was getting a couple more packages in the mail. Show you what I got, maybe. First of all, this I got, and I know what it is. Ooh, it's got an open tab. Because under my bed in the trailer, where the table was, I have a lot of space. So a lot of things tend to get pushed underneath where the table is that I've made down into a bed. So instead of probably scratching the floor with shoving stuff back and forth in there, I got these. They're little 1-inch felt pads. I guess if I turn it over, you'd see it better. Anyway, they're little felt pads. And on the bottom of some totes that I've got, I'm going to put these things in so that my floor doesn't get scratched up and scratched. And so that's what those are. This box, I'm super excited to show you. Is, like I said, this came yesterday. Oops, sorry. So I'm just going to give you a far away look at it because I don't want to give it all away right now. But this is what I got. It's in that box. There's 4 of them. And that's all you're getting right now. So these are the cupboard, or the containers. I want to put these felt packs on the feet, load them up with stuff, or on the feet, on the bottom, so I can load them up with stuff and put them underneath the bed storage area, just so that when I drag stuff in and out from under there, I'm not scratching the floor. Let's see what else. Hi. Okay, I got my hands full. Camera in one hand and my idea in the other hand. This is totally off subject from the stuff that I just unboxed in the kitchen, but these, I don't know what they're called, sconces. Hang on. Okay, these that I'm holding, I have 2 of these. Let me put them on a wall where you can see. Okay, there. I have 2 of these, and kind of what I wanted to do, they're lights, kind of what I wanted to do was, I have 2 of them, let me show you. So, I have 2 of these, 1, 2. They were at my sister's house inside. She had a real long hallway. And these were in, and they took them down when they remodeled, gave them to my mom. Mom had them up for a while on her front porch. They were beautiful. And I'm not quite sure how I ended up with them, but I'm not complaining. But what I kind of wanted to do, and I don't know where it's going to work, but I wanted to take this round disc off of both of them, turn it upside down, hook them both together like that, and make a chandelier out of it. I don't know if you can see that. Probably not. I wanted to make a chandelier out of it like that. Trouble is, it comes down pretty low. I know it looks like a jumbled up mess, but it comes down pretty low, and if this wasn't a transformer type RV, meaning if it wasn't the kind of RV that closed down, you know, this one goes down, then I'd be okay. But I have to find a place to hook those up where that when it closes down, it doesn't create a problem. So that's what I'm stuck with. My only other option would be to just hang them from the ceiling or from the walls like a sconce, you know, like my sister and my mom had them. But anyway, that was one of the things I wanted to show you, and as time goes on and I make videos, you'll see how I end up using these lights. I don't know. Anyway, the second thing was those things. Okay, I was out here for a little bit before I started the video, and I got a few things done. But let's start with, let's start with what I unboxed in the kitchen earlier. It's this, you already saw these, but it's this. It's wallpaper. It's sticky like shelf paper. And I got it off Walmart, or not Walmart, I got them from Amazon. It's supposed to look like the ceiling tiles that are metal. That's what anyway, so I opened it, couldn't wait, and I thought, oh my gosh, these are huge. I thought they'd be smaller blocks, but they weren't. They're huge. Look at this. Open this up maybe. And yeah, I know they're white, but they've also got some black in them. There it is. And look, there's my arm from the tip of my fingers to even more than my elbow. They're ginormous. But I wanted to put them, take down this subway tile sticky stuff and put them up there, but as big as these are, you would never see a pattern. So I'd also been toying with the idea of putting them, let me turn a couple lights on, putting this stuff up there. Now I've only done across the top. I still have this little area right there to do. But isn't that pretty? Anyway, I'm going to get busy and finish that that last little strip. And I'm also considering putting it, ooh, it's bright in here, on maybe just this big wall back here, because I've got plenty. The two side ones I'm not too worried about. That's got a big mirror on it. Yeah. And then I'm thinking about putting it on this wall, and I'll probably leave that wall alone. I may swoop it around and put it on there. I don't know. But that's the plan. And I got these. Okay, I've been measuring and cutting and thought I'd bring you back. So I just made a little Sharpie line for the 8 3/4 inches of the stuff that I need to go, panning slowly so I don't make you sick, along that open edge there. Now, in reading the customer reviews on Amazon, I saw several people thank other people for suggesting to, instead of trying to put it up in one long piece, cut the squares separately and put each square up separately. So that's what I did up on this part here, and it worked really well. There are no bubbles, and it's sticking very good. So that's what I'm going to do with this. I'm cutting it to length from left to right, and then I'll cut these squares into their individual, I'll cut along this real skinny line and put them up individually. It just goes a lot easier. Okay, let's keep going. Yeah, I peel it all off, all the backing, put it around. I'm just going to line up Okay, so I rested for a little bit. I came back out and I got the rest of the ceiling tiles, whatever it's called, put up. It looks good. I'm so excited. Love it when a plan comes together. Check it out. So cool. Yay! I know there's no color in it except the black, the gray, and the white, but it sure breaks up that white area back there. And then I'm going to start on the bathroom later today, maybe tomorrow. We're getting there. Yay!